Hey everyone, it's Dustin with TechMD. This is part 3 of our teardown and replacement of the joystick. If you have missed that, feel free to go ahead and watch the other two videos first. This will be just putting it together and then showing you guys some testing. This will be more of a longer video and some of the struggles I went through. Alright, the never-ending story, Xbox controller continued. Put this very loose headphone jack back in there. Let's get this motherboard back in. And our wires out of the way. Get a motherboard over that little hole there. Over this hole too. Looks like the headphone jack is lined up properly too. There are a couple screws. Back in there. If your soldering iron is not on, you want to turn that on. What a day. Pull up our picture to check alignment. Do left side first. Put a little bit of flux on all 4 connectors. I'm just looking at that picture to make sure I get the right spot where they belong. Let's do the bottom one first. Definitely want to fight us being there. Okay, that one's soldered on. That one, there we go, is soldered off. And gray on the bottom, black on the top. All right. The very bottom is black and gray on the top. And get a little bit more flux too. Definitely I learned in this process is I want to have a clamp of some sort. It's just too difficult without one. Watch your soldering iron, make sure you don't touch any plastics too. Coming pretty close. All right, time to move the process over here. All right. Use the cables weave right there along that board, connect, and go right through that hole. Pretty straightforward. Push them back with some tweezers. Press in and it should clip in. There you go. You have a nice little line to guide you. Never in a phone will you ever see that line. A little piece of tape is really important. Assuming these wires just tuck in somehow. I don't want these falling out, so we're gonna put this in the other direction. Alright. This magnetizer screwdriver. Feels like it's clicking down now. I think this piece goes on after, but maybe magnetized. Okay. Like I'm missing something. I've actually never owned a Elite controller, so it'd be interesting to test it out and try it, which I'm totally going to do. That's it, guys. If you want to watch my testing, feel free to keep on watching. If not, please like and subscribe. Just playing on my computer. I use a Microsoft USB connector and well, the Microsoft Xbox wireless connector, because Bluetooth seems to work sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. It's just kind of iffy. I'm going to play a whole rounds. We're just going to fast forward through it, but you guys can see it's working. And we'll just fast forward through it. He has this really locked down. This is smooth. I don't know why that is so strong. Okay. All I did was loosen up the joystick and turned it a little less to the left. So this button wasn't working at all, but I can't even tell if this works yet because we're not even in the game yet. So this is the button that's not working. It wasn't working, it's pressing in and out. And I think that is my I have legacy controls. See if I even like the Elite, but I don't have these back pedals. He took them. Well, we know the controller works. I'm happy, guys. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Hey, if you guys watched all 3 videos, I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Links are in the description below if you need to purchase any of the parts or components that you've seen. Please do so. That does help us out. Have a good one.